Okay, so this is an overview of our statistics page, the stat page. We see the different tabs, Cromford Tableau charts, the various charts you can choose from. Come back to that. Market share stats, pretty self-explanatory. The title pretty much tells you what it is. Great thing to put in a listing presentation. Cromford city snapshots. These are updated every month for all the cities, most of them anyway. And then Cromford zip code snapshots. I've increased this now to cover all of these zip codes that are all the ones we typically use and then some. Okay, so the Cromford Tableau charts is really what takes a little explanation here, because when you select a chart, let's say monthly average price per square foot, you get a highly interactive live chart that's going back to, in this case, end of 2010. As I put the cursor over the trend line at the different nodules, it pops up a little, the data point, gives us that information. But since this is live and interactive, it also has the ability to manipulate all of these fields. So dwelling type, if I uncheck all and say we just want single family residential, it'll repopulate. And if I say I don't want all transaction types, I just want the normal ones. And let's say we uncheck city, and I can scroll for the city, or might be a little faster if I click this little search icon, I'll just put in Scottsdale, it finds it, I check it, and it will repopulate. And then I can drill down by price point, I can drill down by zip code further. So a lot of customization can be done to this real-time chart. Okay, once we have it the way we want it, and we'd like to export it, we can export it by clicking the little export button here. And I can do it as an image. That'll just capture that image, which I could then further annotate if you've got a third-party program for annotating your image. That's what it looks like. So I could change, with a third-party program, I could change this title, or I could just put a label on this to say that we're looking at Scottsdale, all price points, normal sales during this period. So that might be good. Or if I wanted a PDF of that graph, I can go back to the export button, click PDF. Two things you need to know here. One is click landscape, and even then it's going to be too wide without scaling it to at most 1 page wide. Once we do that, landscape at most 1 page wide, we can click export and download it, and it will pop up, hopefully, the chart that you've created as a PDF. So there you go. I'd invite you to play around and experiment with those. Again, great utility because you can create a very tailored graph, real-time information, and save it either as an image or a PDF file.